We have talked about different money-making platforms online, but we have never talked about the one which I will be showing you today. This is new, and only a few people know about this. I'll show you how you can make up to $10 in less than 2 minutes of work. This is absolutely free, and this works all over the world. You won't be selling anything. You won't be promoting anything at all. You won't be needing your own website, and you won't be needing a lot of followers. All you need to do is follow everything I tell you in this video and just sign up for free. Then you'll be able to collect your earnings. $10 might not seem like a lot, but it can continuously grow. And since it can be done in less than 10 minutes, you can just use this method as your side hustle in order to earn extra income. You absolutely do not need to do this as a full-time job. But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. So look at these countries listed over here. Now if you can find your country here, on this screen right here, there's a great chance that this will work for you because this works worldwide and it works in many different countries. So wherever you are in the world, you can get paid with this method. Now this right here is the main platform which we will be using, and you don't have to worry because I will be explaining to you step by step on how you can use this brand new platform in order to make money online repeatedly. This method will only take you less than 120 seconds, which is 2 minutes. Now I'll be telling you how people all over the world are using this platform to make money over and over again every single day. Okay, so people come to this platform to review different products. There are different companies here and different products which are being reviewed by different people every single day. Every time people create a review, they earn money. But before anything else, make sure you follow all these steps that I will be teaching you, okay? Let's do this properly and professionally. This is going to be a lot easier than you think. And you do not need to buy anything from this website. You do not need to buy these different softwares right here. You don't need to record your voice or create a video for the products, okay? You do not need to go through all of that. I'm going to tell you exactly how you can do this in less than 2 minutes. First of all, I need you to come over to g2.com. Again, this is g2.com. Now when you're on the homepage, I need you to scroll a bit down and right here where you can see using software, write a review. Help over 5 million monthly buyers on G2 make the right choice for their business. This is exactly why G2 is paying you for writing a review. You see, as you write a review, people or buyers will be able to see what you have been experiencing with the product. If ever you recommend it or not, you will be showing them how the product has helped you or how the product is useless. Now what usually happens is that when you have a good review about the software, great chances are people are going to buy it, especially if it has been a great benefit to you, your work, or your studies. So now I want you to click on this Write a Review button right here, like so. Then there will be 4 simple steps just for you. You will select which category you will focus on. You will leave a review on the product in less than 2 minutes, or you can actually take time, then you will need to share it on LinkedIn. After that, you will then collect your earnings. Simple, right? Okay, now let's pick a category. As you can see, we have advertising, e-commerce or retail, finance and accounting, HR, sales, information technology, marketing, business operations and analytics, media and communication, and so much more. You can pick whatever category you want to write a review on. Since I like finance and business, I will select finance and accounting just right here. Now you can select which software you will be writing a review on. If you can find something that you personally like or use, go ahead and pick that software. That way, you can give an honest review about the product. Either you like it or not, or has it been helpful or not. Does it have bugs or does it run smoothly? It all depends on your experience. Now I think almost all of you are now familiar with Skype and Zoom, especially after the pandemic started where we started to work from home and study from home. So for example, right here, I will be using Skype just for this video. So now that you have selected the product or software of your choice, we will now then click on Continue right here. Click on this button, then click on Review. Now all you need to do is create a G2 account. To do so, all you need to do is click on Continue to log in. This blue button right here, and you can then log in via LinkedIn, Google Business, or your email address. I'll go ahead and click on email because this will be easier on my part. Once you sign in, they will start asking us different questions about the specific product or software. This will literally take us up to 120 seconds. This is really fast. You can go over to these questions easily and quickly. For example, this question right here. How likely is it that you would recommend Skype to a friend or colleague? I'll be choosing 9 as my rating. Then I will need to add a title to my review. Now here's a title trick that I'll be showing you whenever you give feedback on a software. You can go ahead to Google and search for reviews of that specific product. Then you can recreate or paraphrase them. So I'll be searching Skype, Review G2, and I'll click on this link right here. Now I'll be going through different reviews that people made about this product, about Skype. Now you can get some ideas if you can't construct your own words, and then just type them in here. You have to know that G2 does not accept copy and paste, so you will need to type it down yourself. Now you have to fill all of these boxes right here and answer all of these questions. What do you like best about Skype? What do you dislike? Whatever product you're reviewing, write down your thoughts. Now as I told you, you can pick any software, right? Now in order for G2 to accept your review, it needs to be unique. It should not be plagiarized. Again, if you need ideas, just click out other reviews. Once G2 accepts your review, you get up to $20 per review. So write a detailed, high-quality review so that people will see how Skype will be useful to them. So if we go back to g2.com homepage, you can see that there is a lot of softwares which you can leave a review on. There are thousands, so this means you have thousands of chances to review softwares. Now this means you can review 1 to 5 products per day, or depending on how many products you want to review. G2 might accept at least 1 to 2 reviews, and even though it's just 1 or 2 or even 3, it's still a good side hustle. This method is so easy, and you can literally do this for free. All you need is your honest thoughts, or recreate other reviews in your own words, then earn money on the side. This won't make you rich, but this is definitely a great job on the side. And that's it! Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next videos.